Now, while many of us are unwrapping gifts or gathering around the table today, others are clocking in by choice.
Yeah, so at UC Medical Center, working Christmas isn't just a shift, it's a tradition of service. WLWT News 5's Lindsay Stone shows us how healthcare workers are giving back by caring for others.
At UC Medical Center, the halls might be quieter today, but the work is still just as important. For many of the nurses, doctors, and staff, working Christmas isn't a sacrifice. It's a way to give comfort when it's needed most. From emergency calls to overnight shifts, some jobs never slow down, even on Christmas.
We're here 24/7, nonstop.
For many, working Christmas isn't an assignment, it's a choice.
I volunteered for tomorrow.
Emily Atwood is a surgical tech who looks for ways to brighten other people's days. She even started a group called the Sunshine Committee to do just that.
We need people here. You know, not everybody wants to be at work on those days, but my kids are grown. They're 18 and 20, so I don't mind it.
And while it's difficult to miss celebrations at home, it's a reminder that for some, the holidays are about giving time, not taking it.
It's very difficult to be away from your family at times, but on the flip side, you see our patients here. We have very sick patients, and they need us just as much. So it does bring some warm feelings just to be here.
Which makes a difference during a busy time of year.
There is more people on the road, so we get more automobile accidents and stuff. We do get busy this time of year.
But they keep showing up with a smile. Staff say that positive attitudes don't just lift spirits, they can actually make a difference in patient care.
The patient's mentality absolutely affects overall outcomes, trying to make their day better, and if I can improve their mental status, hopefully they'll achieve a better outcome in the end.
Proof that even on a day when the world slows down, compassion doesn't.
Everybody would rather be home with their family on the holidays, whether it's Christmas, 4th of July, or whatever. But, you know, coming into this job, it's part of it. So we all have each other's back.
From hospitals to airports to restaurants and even newsrooms, a thank you to those who keep communities running on Christmas Day.
I don't wear this shirt for myself. I definitely wear it for the smiles for other people.
I truly love what I do, and I'm happy to come in and do it every single day.
And while they may miss parts of their own celebrations, these workers say that knowing they're helping patients through a difficult day makes it worth it. Lindsay Stone, WLWT News 5.
And of course, we always thank those medical professionals who keep us safe. Well, hospital officials say staffing levels remain normal today and patients continue getting full care despite the holiday.